Next diagram, eye bolt. So eye bolt. In order to facilitate lifting of heavy machine like electric generators, motors, turbines, eye bolts are screwed on their top surfaces. For fitting an eye bolt, a tapped hole is provided above the center of gravity of a machine. So this is the 3D diagram of a, that means application of the eye bolt. That means for lifting heavy machine elements, machinery like motors, turbines and other machine generators. So lifting that heavy machine equipments, we are going to place eye bolt on the surface of the that machine element. Okay, so here if you see the diagram, so in the top of surface there will be a ring like structure will be there na? So that is called eye bolt. Okay, this is the 3D diagram of a eye bolt. If you see the procedure how to draw the eye bolt, so this is the front view and top view of a eye bolt. Front view and side view of a eye bolt. So here there is a internal diameter, that is a 1.5 D. So initially I am going to assume diameter D is 20 mm. So based on that initial diameter, all the dimensions are going to be changed. So here in this diagram, internal diameter is 1.5 D. Okay. Next, after that, so external diameter. So external diameter. So if you want to draw this external diameter, so in the side view there is a this ring thickness will be there na? So what is the value here? 0.8 D. Okay, so 0.8 D, above 0.8 D, so below also 0.8 D. So finally, so total this circle diameter is 1.5 D plus 1.6 D. Okay, 1.5 D plus 1.6 D. Okay, so that is the suitable diameter for the eye bolt. Okay, after taking the outer circle and inner circle, so from the center of the circle to there is a length, that is height, that is a 2D. Okay, take 2D here, the diagrams it will be there na? That is the 2D. After that there is a collar. Okay, there is a collar, this is the collar. This collar length is given in the side view, that is 2D. Okay, what is the height of the collar? 0.4 D. So as per the initial assumption, okay, diameter D 20 mm or 30 mm, all that value is going to be changed. Okay, so initially I took D as a 20 mm now. So this collar length is 2D. Okay, the collar height is 0.4 D. Just draw the collar. After that, here this outer circle, okay, from center line to here 2 mm, here 2 mm. Here this side is 2 mm, that side 2 mm. Okay, draw with this arc. You have to draw with the free hand, no issue. So here also for collar to the outer circle also, so you have to draw the arc with free hand only. After that there is a screw. So here this screw is there na. So this screw, that means from collar to this screw height is 1.5 D. That dimensions also given in this diagram. Okay, collar to bottom, the screw height is 1.5 G. Okay, so here dimensions already given, that is D. So here 4D also there, 0.84 D. As per the previous assumption, just draw this screw part. Okay, so after that has the remaining surface. This is the front view and side view of a eye bolt. Already we discussed the main function of eye bolt is to lift heavy machine elements like motors, turbines, electric generators. So there is a standard values you have to remember while drawing the eye bolt. So initially this diameter, internal diameter is 1.5 D. Okay, here this dimension is equals to 0.8 D. Okay, in the side view itself we given the value of these dimensions, that is 0.8 D. Okay, this is 0.8 D. So here also 0.8 D. So 0.8, 0.8. Okay, that is 1.6 D. Okay, until so here what is the value? 1.5D, 1.5D plus 1.6D. So you have to add these two values, so you will get total total outside diameter. Okay, that external diameter is 3.1D. Okay, initially I am assuming capital D is equals to 20 mm. So external diameter would be becomes to 3.1D, that is nothing but 62 mm. Next, internal diameter, that is the standard value, 1.5G. Okay, 1.5 into 20, that is 30 mm. So here there is a collar. Okay, this is the collar. So this collar dimensions in the front view is not given, whereas in side view he given 2D. Okay, so 2D. That means 2 into 20. This height is given 0.4D. 0.4 into 20. Okay, that means that is 8 mm. Next, so here this is the diameter, now 20 mm. This is the core diameter DC. Core diameter DC 0.84 into D. So that value becomes to 16.8. So center of the circle to up to the collar, that is that value is 2D, 2 into 20. So whatever it will be depending upon the diameter. So you will get here to here 2D. Next, collar to up to the screw. Collar to screw, that value 1.5D. Okay, so this is the front view and side view of a eye bolt. Front view and side view of a eye bolt. So I would like to draw the procedure how to draw the front view and the top view of a eye bolt. So initially you have to take axis line like this. So here this is 1.5D, 1.5 into 20, that is 30 mm. That means 15 mm radius, draw a circle. Next, outside circle is nothing but 62. Okay, 62 mm we will get y plus 3.1D. Okay, that is 62. That means 31 mm as a radius. Draw one more circle. Next, from center of the circle to up to the collar, what is the height here? 2D. Okay, so from here to take 2D. This is 2D, 2 into 20, that means 40 mm. Okay, this collar length, so in the side view it is given 2D. So here D, here D. Now what is the height of the collar? 0.4D. Okay, that is 8 mm. Now here there is a free edge, so you have to draw with free hand. Okay, these arcs also you have to draw with free hand. That means from here to 2 mm, here to 2 mm. So like this way you have to draw with free hand. Same. Here from collar to up to screw end, what is the dimensions is given? 1.5D. Okay, now here to 1.5D. Right. What is the diameter of this screw? So 20 mm. Okay, that means so here to 10 mm, here to 10 mm. Draw G and core diameter BC. Okay, core diameter BC formula is given 0.84 into D. So depending upon the diameter D, So I got 16.8. Okay, same as the previous diagram, D and BC, draw as per the dimensions. So here to D. So internally DC value. So here to take 2 to 3 mm. So this point at the center. Now by using the trial and error method, draw tail like this. Okay, and then up to here the other dimensions is how to draw, and then this is the screw assembly. This is the comes under screw assembly. So convenient then you can draw, but you have to maintain it at 30 degrees. Okay, that is the screw length already we discussed in the previous class. Okay, now we have to freehand draw this material also, and then 45 degrees draw hatching line. This is 1.5G internal circle. Okay, so this is the front view of a eye bolt. Okay, this collar height is 0.4D, and this total, so from center of the circle to up to the collar is 2D. Next collar to screw, that is 1.5D. So this is the front view, and then you have to draw the side view also. So if you want to draw side view, just project the front view like this. So here this is a 0.80D. So somewhere draw hatching line, sorry, not hatching line, draw hatching line. So this is 0.18. So from the center line, with these dimensions, project up to the collar. Okay, now collar length. So here the side view is given 2D, that is 2 into 20. So this height is 0.4D. Okay, so here to take here 3 mm, here 3 mm, draw with the free hand. And then, so this screw actually not visible now, so we have to represent with dashed line. Okay, with the dashed line you have to represent this screw. Okay, whatever you draw here, so as it is you have to draw with dashed line. That means up to here. This is the D, and this is the DC value, that means core diameter. Then same This is 0.8 D. Okay. So this is the 3D diagram of a eye bolt. So not 3D diagram, front view and the side view of a eye bolt. This is the front view and this is the side view of a eye bolt. Okay. Initially we have to draw axis line first. After that, what is the internal diameter here? 1.5 D. Okay. This external diameter is not given in the front view. This external diameter is not given in the front view. So in the side view itself we given 0.8 D. That means this is the 0.8 D. So here 0.8 D. So here to here 0.8 D. That is 1.6 D. 1.6 D plus 1.5 D. That is 3.1 D. Okay. So if you want to find out external diameter 3.1 D. That is nothing but 62 mm. Okay. This total external diameter is 62 mm. Okay. Internal diameter is 1.5 D. That is 30 mm. Okay. Collar width, this length is given 2D in the side view. That means 2 into 40. Okay. This height 0.4 D. Okay. Next, center of the circle to up to the collar, that is 2D, and the collar to screw, that is 1.5 D. Okay. These are the standard values you have to remember. So this is the front view and this is the side view of a eye bolt.